Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add photos to an album on iPhone photo gallery. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Photos app. There are two different ways how you can add photos to an album, and I'll show you the both. So the first way is open up some albums. So first right here hit add albums to show up all your albums. You can select any of them. Then just open it up and hit right here at three dots icon. Then tap at add photos, and that shows you all your recent photos and videos, and you can easily check mark them in that simple way. And once you've selected enough, you can hit right here at add to add them to that album. Also, you can open up, for example, your recents and then hit add select. Now you can select some photos or videos in that way that you want to add to an album, and once you did that, just hit right here at that share icon, then scroll down for a bit and hit on add to album. That shows you all your albums, and you can select one, let it be that one, and I have just added media files to an album. Now I can open it up, and here they are. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.